Hi, and welcome to GUSRookieTraders.com. Right here we're looking at a chart for ATNP. That's Atlantis Technology Group. I had mentioned this Atlantis Technology Group quite some time back, maybe even a little too premature for some people who don't like to hold on to a stock and expect gains immediately. Now, what I want to show you here is I've been following this stock for quite some time, from before their split. They had a forward stock split, was fantastic. We followed it through that on GUSRookieTraders.com. A lot of the guys that were on our board, they did well with it. Explosive moves from sub penny all the way up to a nickel. And then of course after the split, the stock price came down a lot and adjusted for the split. Now we had one move here early on. This was a little while back, and we were coming down, and then I started to mention it again. I said maybe it's time to look at this stock, and I wrote a few things on it. I wasn't doing the video charts at that point, but here's what I want to talk about. First of all, 200-day moving average right here, the green line, support big time. Price came down right to it, held, and it bounced. Next, what I want to look at is the 20-day moving average is below the 50-day. So now with this move here, we're going to get the 20-day crossing through the 50-day. This is going to be another bump, a bump up. These are resistances here, and the resistances are based on after the split. I'm not pulling them from further back than that, because I think anything further back than that with 10 times more shares wouldn't be right. But I'm sure, as you guys know, if you've been watching, that I'm a big fan of the Fibonacci's. I think they're very reliable. Now look at this exactly. The 0026, the price hit there and pulled back. It's like clockwork. Now, what to expect from this stock? Well, if we take a look here, first of all, we closed on somewhat of a buy, and I think that line may continue for tomorrow. A lot of people are excited about it and talking about it, so that's always reassuring. Now, the volume lines, there's not a big load of volume, and we actually made these moves on very, very little volume. Now, what can come from this? Well, as people start to get more excited, we may see more volume, fewer sellers, and more price action. Can we blow through these resistances? Well, the only one I'm really concerned with is this top one here, the 0032. The 0032. Can we go up? Can we test it? And can we pop through that? Absolutely yes. And other than that, then we're going to look at our supports, which is 0019 Fibonacci retracement right here. And then, of course, our 50-day moving average is going to act as a support as well. But this stock is getting bullish. It's just revving up. The 20-day will be crossing through this 50-day, and the price action will have to lure it to it. So keep your eye on this one. ATNP, definitely a stock to watch. I've mentioned it before in the past, and if you guys do a search on the site for ATNP, you'll see that I brought this up a while back. And again, I'm just reiterating what I already felt I knew. Thank you very much for watching GUSRookieTraders.com. You guys are welcome to join the chat board. There's no subscription required. All ideas are welcome. These guys are phenomenal on the board. They discuss many different stocks, and primarily penny stocks, because the penny stocks we find are exciting. Not because we don't deal in big board stocks, but we find the penny stocks to be very, very exciting. Crazy things happen really fast. All right, guys, thank you very much for watching GUS Rookie Traders.